Morning! Morning! Woo! Hello! Guys, may paraffle. Di pwedeng hindi tayo manalo today. Yan guys, sure win na yan. Lalagay na natin. 38.
1, 2, 3, go!
At ito na po yung late naming kasama. Hi Runner Rain! What's up?
I'm late.
Anong nangyari at late ka?
Hindi mo kasi ako sinundo.
Costume Runner here and we're live sa SM Pride Run! Costume with Dora na may tuktok.
So here
And then there's Runner Rain at our kabayo na friend si Roel.
Then the next base is 8 to 9 pace. Sinong pacer ng 8 to 9?
8 to 9!
Bumabataas kamay pag sinabi kong now lahat tayo aangat. Hawak mo,
Go! Isayaw mo yan!
sayaw mo pa lang, sagot na sa
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi.
Anong pace mo?
7-8!
7-8.
Good morning! Good morning! Kung gusto nyo pong mapalagit, sunod lang kayo! Charot!
Huwag kayo sumunod dito!
Rainbow Pride of SM City Clark! Sunod kayo kay San Pedro! Let's go!
Wala sumama sa'yo.
Ano?
Hindi pa daw ready. Wala sumunod sa'yo niya.
3, 2, 1! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Rain! Let's go! Muntik na ako mapalangit! Let's go! Skyline! Let's go! Dorang may backpack! Hello! Let's go! Let's go! 7-8! Sabay kayo sa akin! 7-8! Parang pa, mga kasama kong baser nawawala! Ang bibilis nila! Let's go! Magbi-video daw kami, so forget the pace muna. Hanap muna kami ng mga karamay. Hello! Sali po kayo sa video! Sali kayo sa video, magbi-video lang saglit. Video! Join tayo, video! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Happy Pride!
Happy Pride! Woohoo! Let's go! Naghahabol tayo ng oras kasi nag-stop tayo para sa tutorial kanina. But we're now back at 7:40. So all good. Let's go! Woohoo! Happy Pride! Let's go! Kilometer 3.8. Woo! Hingal na. Pero almost done. Let's go! Woo! Wow! Let's go! Let's go! One more po. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you po. Sumakitan din.
Sige lang, take it slow po. Let's go po. Congrats in advance. Congrats in advance.
Ganda na wala pa.
Thank you. Let's go. Kapit na. Let's go. Konti na lang po. Let's go. Konti na lang. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Konti na lang po. Let's go. Let's go. Woohoo! Ganun ka.
Hi! Happy Pride! Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go, Costume Runner!
Woohoo! Finish line.
Go! Let's go!
Char. Woohoo!
This is vlog takeover. So wala si Costume Runner. Sa amin muna yung camera hindi ka naka-sub 30s. Ang kilit. Papicture daw sila sa'yo.
Go, sige po.
Go, mother!
Yes, let's go! Ayan! Guys, cheer! Of course, let's have bib number 038.
Oh, let's go, Costume Brother! Wow!
Congratulations, you will all be receiving 1,000 pesos worth of SMGC.
Yeah!
I'm freezing outside. My skin tight. My mood is inside. I look up at you. I've been touring stateside, kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Oh no, open.
Hey, are you ready?
Ang lakas mag-manifest.
Music! Gile! Bate, bate!
Lambot ka pala ng mukha mo, like kang panalo. Iba-block ka na sa lahat ng running events.
Mag-contract signing na ako sa SM, guys.
This is vlog takeover. Iba-block na to lahat sa lahat ng running events.
Okay.
Ito na po yung signing contract ni Costume Runner.
Thank you so much.